Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the particle size distribution and particle size distribution is very important topic because those who are doing research in material science and nanoscience, they are generally want to find out the particle size distribution of the synthesized material. So mm, we make the things very simple. We are using an open source software called ImageJ. Now start. Uh, just open the ImageJ software and then open the record file. Here I am using a same image um, of a particle. So this is the same image of the particle which we are talking about. Now, first of all, you just want to calibrate the distance. For that, we just select this thing and go to the analyze and set scale. For set scale, you just put the known distance. Here, the known distance is 200 nanometers. So put here is 200, and for unit it is a nanometer. And just press OK. Then just select the particles like this, and then Control M for measure. You see the area, mean, and the maximum angle, and also the length of the particle is measured. So just select as much as particle and put the control M. You will find out the particle size in that way. I am taking the lots of particles so that my distribution will be fair enough. So I am taking the length and just press the control M here. Choose as many as particle which are distinct. You can also change the contrast of the image so you can find out the particle in a better way. So I am just doing this for a while. So you can see I have taken 18 observation and just copy it from here and open the origin software and then paste it here. And now if you just plot the length in histogram, you will see the distribution of the particle size distribution. From here also, you can also change the beam size of the particle. So for better viewing, you can also change the beam size like this. You can change the beam size so that the distribution looks good. So this is fair enough. And change the scale also. So this is the nice distribution. And you can also fit with the curve like this. Just go to the beam worksheet and just put a scatter plot just like this, and then choose the point and then go for the nonlinear curve fitting and choose the origin basic function and the Gaussian fit. As you see, you can fit it from here and you can modify it according to your need. So just okay. And from here, you can see the particle size, mean particle size is around 199 or 200 nanometer. So you can also view it from here. Like you can also see the particle size, mean particle size 214. So from fitting also, it comes around 200. So it is fair. So in that way, you can actually find out the particle size distribution. Thank you. Thank you for your patience, and subscribe me and make comment if you have any comment.